So we're going to multiply positive 20 by positive 15. It'd be very simple and straightforward to do this on a calculator, or simply to multiply 20 by 15. And we have 5 times 0, which gives us 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Put down the 0. 1 times 0 gives us 0, and 1 times 2 gives us 2. And it adds up to 300. We did this last year and we got very good at it, and this is still the way that people do calculations. However, we're going to use what's called the distributive property, and we're going to practice the distributive property because this is something that we're going to use in grade 9 and 10, 11 and 12, and it is something that you do have to get good at, and it will get a little bit more complicated. So learning how to use the distributive property on a question that's fairly simple is probably a pretty good idea. So I'm just going to quickly erase this. And I'm going to show you how the distributive property works. What we're going to do is we are going to multiply positive 20 by positive 10 plus positive 5. Notice how I use the square brackets to separate things out just a little bit. Now, if you talk to somebody that's in grade 10 or 11, grade 12 math, or somebody that's done a lot of math, they might show you that you are going to multiply that positive 20 by the positive 10, and you're also going to multiply the positive 20 times the positive 5. So here's the calculation. We have positive 20 times positive 10. We'll close that bracket, and then we're going to add positive 20 times positive 5. Need a little bit of an eraser there. There we go. Positive 5. That's why we always do math in pencil, because every now and again you do make a mistake. And positive 20 times positive 10 is, of course, positive 200. And positive 20 times positive 5 is positive 100. And if we add 200 and 100, that's going to give us positive 300. Again, this is something that you could calculate very quickly, but the importance of this exercise is learning how to use the distributive property.